Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni machine. The customer reported that the coffee is coming out too fast with the group head, and also that the pressure is not high enough on the pressure gauge. Let's go ahead and start with the group head issue. So yeah, this shot actually looks amazing. This is a good, nice, even flow rate and really good crema. You can see it's like a 1/4 inch thick. It's really great. And then the pressure, typically you don't want it much above 1 bar, or else the machine gets too hot and burns the coffee. Let's see what the pressure looks like at the steam order. Oh, it's nice and slow. I saw a little bit of a leak back here earlier. See if we see it now. I don't see it now.